Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Access 57 and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now here we've got languages and input, so let's tap on it and tap on languages at the very top of the list. As you can see here, we've got the list of previously applied languages. Now we've got English applied. In order to add new one, simply tap on add a language. And here we've got the full dictionary, the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So let me pick, for example, Netherlands. Let's choose the region. And as you can see, it immediately appears on our list, but the English is still a main language. In order to set new one as a main, simply tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the very first position. Now wait a second, and as you can see, it immediately changes, and now the whole menu is in a chosen language. If you want to get back to English, let's go back to the languages, tap on the English, and drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, it also immediately changes. If you want to remove the languages, simply tap on the three dots icon, click on remove, and tap on the one you want to delete. Now let's tap on the trash bin icon and click on OK. As you can see, it immediately disappears. So that's all. This is how to successfully change the system language in your ARCHOS Access 57. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.